terrain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Marines with 1st Battalion, 6th Marine Regiment insert by helicopter across the Helmand River into uncharted territory.
We didn't know what it was, man. I mean, we didn't know what to expect. I mean, we knew it was going to be kinetic, but we didn't know how until we actually got here.
North of 7-0 so we can cover our movement to 5-5 and 5-2. Oh, that's close.
And every day it's a different firefight. Usually around 10 in the morning, take the first one. Usually around 13 or 14 to take the next, and then IDF.
What's up, man?
This AO that we're at right now is Paddock's Eye. It moves from Abraham's Village to Paddock's Eye, and that's where we're catching most of our contact. We're pushing 2-3 patrols a day, and even if it's your off day, you can expect to go out on QRF to bust your guys out of a bad situation.
Break. 2-1 is taking IDF. Conserve your rounds!
As a squad leader, you got to be able to take what you're getting from the radio and apply it out on the battlefield.
Calm down.
Basically, controlled chaos. Controlling chaos.
Was that you? Yeah. Right up my Hey, keep those fires coming! Push!
You just replay it in your mind over and over again. It was a pretty rough day. Our guys are still feeling it. It's not even been a week yet. And the very next day we push right back out on a patrol.
Hey, tell them to keep watching over there. X-Cal's been approved. There it is. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
You have that pride about you because they send you across the river, so you know that they trust you.
We did what we had to do out here. We made a mark for 1/6 Weapons Company, 2nd Platoon.
Hell yeah. One less bunker they got.